Meet Sylvia Colby, a mother, a driver, and today, a defendant. She steps into the courtroom, a mixture of nerves and curiosity on her face. But she's not alone. Clutching her hand is her 3-year-old daughter, Justina, innocence in its purest form. The judge, a man known for his wisdom and humor, notices the little girl immediately, his stern expression softening. "Justina, we're going to show you a movie," he says, pointing to the screen. A hush falls over the room as the footage plays. The traffic light, bold, unmistakably red, and then Sylvia's car drives straight through. The evidence is undeniable. Sylvia sighs. But before she can defend herself, the judge turns to Justina. "Miss Justina, is your mommy guilty or not guilty?" The tiny girl, unaware of the weight of her words, responds with pure honesty. "Guilty." Laughter erupts in the courtroom. The judge, clearly enjoying the moment, hands her the gavel. "Bang it again, Justina. Say guilty." "Guilty," she proclaims, eyes gleaming with delight. A future judge in the making? Perhaps. But today, justice takes a different route. The judge, unable to resist Justina's charm, grants Sylvia a pass. Case dismissed. A small reprieve, a moment of grace. "Maybe you can spend the money on the new baby," the judge smiles. Because yes, Sylvia is expecting. And as the judge playfully suggests, naming the baby Francesco, the courtroom shares a lighthearted moment. It's justice with a human touch, but not every case ends with laughter. Diana stands before the judge, a young woman barely in her 20s, but burdened with the weight of the world. Her car has been booted again. 5 red light violations, a second chance wasted, a promise to pay, broken. The judge leans forward. "You were here before. I gave you a break, and now you're back." Diana's voice is small, hesitant. "My grandmother passed away. I had to go to Texas. I had to bring my little brother back. I'm raising him now. I just got my first apartment. I work full time." The judge listens. He's heard every excuse before. He shakes his head. "Don't give me another sad story," he warns. "You had an agreement, and you ignored it." Diana swallows hard. She is just 22. She is raising her teenage brother alone. She is doing her best, but life is relentless. The exhaustion in her eyes tells a deeper story, and suddenly the judge sees it. His tone softens. "I think I misread you," he admits. He assumed she was avoiding responsibility, but no, she was drowning in it. The courtroom is silent. Then a shift, a new verdict. The judge offers a deal, not just a financial break, but a test of commitment, a reduced fine, a payment plan, a chance to prove that she can follow through. Diana nods, relief flickering in her tired eyes. For the first time, she smiles. "Bring your brother next time," the judge says with a grin. "Maybe he can help me decide your case." The courtroom chuckles, a moment of understanding, a lesson in judgment, not just by the law, but by the heart. Because here, in this small courtroom, justice isn't just about fines and violations. It's about recognizing struggle. It's about second chances. It's about knowing when to be tough and when to show grace. How cool was that? If this moment moved you, there's so much more. Caught in Providence isn't just a show. It's a window into real justice, real people, and real stories that will make you laugh, think, and sometimes even tear up. Subscribe now, because you never know. One day, it might be your story being told next.